Everything you can imagine is real. Anything you imagine, you can create. Your own minds or gardens where beautiful things are growing. Everybody has creative ideas in their minds, but due to non-availability of required tools, its creation is difficult. If the person has to fulfill his ideas of dream, they need a well-maintained workshop at home. Hello friends, welcome back to another special Do It Yourself project video. Friends, I am Viju Thomas and you are watching my YouTube channel BBN Creations. In this video, I am explaining how to set up a mini workshop and a studio at your home. I had started my YouTube channel around 1 year back when the COVID-19 pandemic lockdown started. Completed 12 projects and uploaded in my YouTube channel. If you are not subscribed in BBN Creations, then please subscribe and press bell icon for watching these videos. If you like my video, then give me a thumbs up. To complete each project, I had to purchase small hand tools and power tools every time. But I don't have specific room or space for keeping these tools and doing new projects. Then I thought to make a separate room space for keeping these tools. Drawing made for construction of one small room on house terrace. Called the fabrication team and got the estimate. It was costing around 5 lakh rupees with the materials and the idea was dropped. Then I thought, why not convert the house by pushing into small workspace. Floor extended, aluminum frame partition made with sliding door and taper roof. The total expenditure was 17,000 rupees. Approved home size is 50 square feet. Project chapters are setup of open area into covered area, fixing wallpaper into the wall, fixing of tools hanger frame in wall and tool hanging, fixing of floor tiles in green studio making process, controlling of all lighting with Alexa. Setup of open area into covered area. Fixing wallpaper into the wall. Fixing of tools hanger frame in wall and tool hanging. Fixing of floor tiles in or green studio making process. Thanks for spending your valuable time on watching my creative do-it-yourself project video. For items online procurement links, check my video description. Please wait for my next episode on how to make a Alexa voice controlled lighting system.